Hi guys, I'm 𝗬𝗵 from Website Skills. In this video, we're going to see how you can create a new page on your site. Here you can see that we do not have any pages. So at the end of this video, you will be able to create pages like this on your website. Okay, so let's get started. To create a page, all you have to do is go to Pages and click Add New. Now to add a page. First, we need to add a title for our page. Let's say you want to create a service page for your website. Just enter our services. Now, here you can start entering the contents of the page. So let me enter the details of the services we provide. Now, if you want to add an image here, just drag your image and then drop it where you want to add it, and it will be added here. Now once you've added your page content, now to publish the page to your site, just click Publish twice. And the page is live. So now if you go to a site and click Refresh, you can see that even the page has been created, but still, the page doesn't appear on your site. Because the theme which we are using now doesn't have a default menu. Now, some themes will automatically show all your pages on the main menu like this. And some themes will not show anything here until you create a menu. So the theme which we are using now will not show anything here until you create a new menu. So instead of creating a new menu, let's change the theme which we are using now. So to change the theme on WordPress, all you have to do is just go to your WordPress dashboard. And then go to Appearance and click Themes. These are the themes which come with WordPress by default. And here you can see, this is the theme which is active on our site right now. Now let's add this theme, which is 2020. So to add the theme, just go here and click Activate. And the theme will be applied to your site. And now if you go to our site and click Refresh, you can see that we have now got our menu and the page which we created on our site. So if we click here, you can see the content which we just added. So this is how you can create a page on your WordPress website. Now, let's quickly add one more page to our site. So to add another page, let's again go here. Now if you see here, we do not have our WordPress menu. So to bring our menu, just click here. And then uncheck full screen mode. And as you can see, we have got our menu back. Okay, now to add another page to our site, just click Add New. Now let's create an About page. So I'm going to enter the title as About. And then add the content. And an image. Now to add this page to our site, let's click Publish. And the page will be added to our site. So now, if we go to a site and click Refresh, you can see that we have now got the About page on our site. This is how you can add pages to your website. So in the same way, you can add any number of pages to your site. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.